So we're going to be checking this out, and what it is, it's kind of a show. So it looks like there's a show at nighttime, and that looks like it could be pretty cool. Quintessential Vietnam, so I think there's going to be kind of themes in here. Learning journey. So I don't know, I think we can just go in and just check it out. Just give you some context. That's going to be where we're going to be going inside. This is this kind of really cool bamboo sculpture. And Grand World is right here, including these tour groups.
Let's all go see Vietnam through the camera lens. Let's see Vietnam through a YouTuber's eyes. Oh, Vietnam. I was in YouTube until I saw this. Vietnam, it looks so cool. Vietnam. I wanna go to Vietnam. I wanna go to Vietnam. I wanna go, show me, show me, show me Vietnam. Show me, show me, show me Vietnam. Oh yeah, Vietnam. Please, why don't you show me Vietnam? Vietnam. Show me Vietnam. I wanna go. Show me Vietnam. I wanna go.
And that was a preview of Phu Quoc with a video. But now I'm going to be doing the walk and talk, and just to give you some context, this is the northern part of Phu Quoc, so this is the map behind me. And this is one of two that has this kind of European villages, but this particular one has kind of like a introduction to Vietnam kind of thing. So you can see all that fun that you can have in there. So anyways, this is Phu Quoc, that's it on the map, that was the preview, and now we do the walk and talk. Phu Quoc, Vietnam. So let's go on in and just see if we can,
How may I help you, sir?
it's free?
With the ticket, it's 200,000 Vietnam dong for one.
How about, what's this, how about this one?
This is our schedule.
So I can, it's free entrance at this one?
You can come back at 5:15. It's a free entrance, no pay from 5:15 to 6:30.
Oh, okay. So I can go in now?
Now with the ticket to enjoy a show.
Oh, because there's a show going on now.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Or you can buy a ticket to enjoy the show right now, or come back later at 5:15.
Okay.
It's a free, no pay from 5:15.
Okay. I'll come back at 5:15. Hello. So sounds good. I'll come back at 5:15. Okay.
Yes, we also have the cosplay service.
Oh, okay.
Yes, you can cosplay to be the ancient Vietnam.
Oh, okay. Sounds good.
The show tonight.
So there's a show tonight.
History and traditional of Vietnam with 300,000 Vietnam dong for one. About the culture, about you.
Hello. So they are coming out of there, so I think we can go back in there now. So we had to wait until a very specific time. I think the show is still happening, but it looks like some of the characters are coming out. Let's see if we can go in now. It looks like a show just ended, so we're able to come in. Okay.
Xin trân trọng cảm ơn quý vị và ngay sau đây xin mời quý vị cùng dành thời gian để khám phá thành phố phong ngữ Grand World Phu Quoc United Center. Xin cảm ơn sự chú ý tuyệt vời của chúng ta.
Hello. Very cool. I think think there's a museum in here. I'll just look in here real quick. I don't know where to begin. So it looks like the show is here. I think everybody's coming down here. Kind of confusing. I think my understanding is there's a show that just ended, and I'd have to pay to go in to watch the show, but I didn't even know what it was, so I just wanted to come in and just see what it is. So the show ended, but the music is still going on for a while. Dragon. I guess I probably should see the show. So you got some pretty cool props up there too. Vietnamese traditional dress. Hello, xin chào. Thank you. Hello. So, there's another, maybe for the stage. Huh. So I probably should have came to see the show, actually. I just missed it. I came originally, I was kind of confused. I just didn't know what it was. I thought it was like a thing you could walk around inside, and there was like, I could see the people in costume, but I guess they were all getting ready for the show. And now the show is over. So to make the video kind of interesting, I guess it'll come out. It would just kind of film, oh, okay. I guess they're practicing here. Let's see what they're doing. Thank you. That's pretty cool. It's okay. Yeah. I don't think I can do it. Let's see. gonna go back out of the village. At least I did something. And so yeah, this is also this, I guess it's called Grand World. We'll come out and see what the, they're doing something out here, so we'll catch that too. So in case you didn't know exactly where we're in this Grand Village, something like that. And so they got performers in that little space. They got gondola rides that go up and down. So you'll see lots of that.